Hi, I'm Mrs. Erickson.
And I'm Dr. John.
Welcome to another episode of
Please try this at home. Science experiments.
We have two rules.
Number one, have fun. Number two,
ask permission from your parents before you get started.
And get their help. Now, let's get on with our next experiment.
Today's experiment is an egg in the bottle experiment. We're going to take this egg, a peeled, hard-boiled egg, and we're going to put it in this bottle.
How are we going to do that? There's no way that'll fit.
The materials you're going to need for this experiment are several hard-boiled, peeled eggs,
an old-fashioned milk bottle with a wide mouth,
and later on some boiling water.
That's what you'll need the adult help for. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, let's try to use a scientific principle called air pressure to gently put the egg into the bottle. We're going to put a little bit of hot boiling water in. That's going to create some very hot air inside the bottle. And we gently put our hard-boiled egg on top. And now that hot air that I put in is immediately starting to cool because it's much, much hotter than the air in our scientific laboratory. And look as it's getting closer and closer to being sucked in. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Erickson, did you see that?
Wow, cool.
But now we've got to get it out. Okay, so now we need to get our egg out of there. Uh-oh.
I don't know how you're going to do that, Dr. John.
I've got an idea. Let's use the same principle, air pressure, but somehow I have to get higher pressure into the bottle than it's on the outside. Here's how I'm going to do it. Watch carefully.
Wow, that was amazing.
It was. That's science.
How did the egg get into the bottle?
Well, air pressure.
Air pressure? How does that work?
Well, let's explain it. So first of all, air is made up of molecules moving around. And the hotter the air is, the more they move around, and sometimes the more space they want to take up. When we pour the hot water in, the air inside the bottle and the air outside the bottle is at the same pressure. When you put the egg on top, now as the air inside cools down, the air molecules move around less. They want to take up less space. Where's that space going to come from?
Outside.
That's right. So that egg is sucked in. The volume goes down, the air pressure inside goes down, and that egg is sucked in.
Or pushed in from the
pushed in.
outside. What I don't understand is how it came out.
Oh, that was my big mouth. What I did there is, before I blew on the bottle, the air pressure was the same. I blew on the bottle and I pushed more air inside. Then I made the egg fall into the mouth of the bottle, and then I released, and the air wanted to come out, and the air pushed that egg out.
So that's how the egg in the bottle experiment works. See you next time.
Have fun.